Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, if you want to connect your Solana wallet to NodePay in 2025, here's a smooth step-by-step guide to get your setup quickly and securely. First, make sure you have a Solana wallet ready. Popular options including Phantom or Solflare, so open your wallet app and ensure it's funded and accessible. Next, go to the official NodePay website and log in or create an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, look for Connect Wallet button. Click it and from the option select your Solana wallet provider, most likely Phantom or Solflare. Your wallet app will prompt to approve the connection request. Review the permissions carefully, then confirm to link your wallet to NetPay. After successful connection, you can now manage your payments, check balance, and interact with NodePay's service seamlessly using your Solana wallet. If you run into any connection issue, try refreshing the page, reconnecting your wallet, or cleaning your browser's cache. That's all there is to it. With your Solana wallet connected, you are ready to explore everything NodePay offers with fully control and security. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple, up-to-date crypto guides. See you in the next one.